an echo. We're extremely excited about getting these two. I trust Coach Carter. I trust what he says about the players, and he went to bat for these two and made sure, hey, you want these two on your team. And I had to sell it to them a little bit, because I mean, I know it's not just, sometimes you hear Dyersburg State Community College, you think, I don't know, man, we're playing for what we're going to offer you money. We can offer them money for their ability to play. They can stay local, they can make sure that someone's watching out for them, that we're taking care of them, and we can win ball games.
Okay, we're here with Magan, Lady Trojan, on your signing day. Congratulations. Get ready to head out to Dyersburg State. How does it feel?
Honestly, I'm overwhelmed with all the emotions. I was telling all my friends today, I was like, I really don't know how to feel. Of course I'm excited, but of course I'm like, wow, this is going to be my future. So, you know, it's a lot to think about.
You've been playing soccer since you were a little girl.
Yes.
So you wanted this, but when your senior season started, be honest, did you see yourself going off to play college soccer?
Honestly, no, I didn't. This came to surprises me. I just got a text from my coach one day. He was like, hey, do you want to go play soccer at Dyersburg? And I just took it as a risk. And I was like, yeah, sure, that sounds fun.
Now, okay, so Dyersburg never had a soccer program until it's coming up in the fall of this year. So this is all new to everybody. But the guy that wanted you was a familiar face, Coach Lippin, who was the coach of Covington. How does it feel that your rival wanted something good in you, he wanted you on his side?
I was like, does he have the right girl? Like, does he have the right person? But he's a very nice coach. I've seen the way he's playing Covington out, and I think it's great. So I think he's going to get along with me. And I'm gonna
yeah, and a lot of girls that he's recruited throughout Highway 51 are familiar now with your opponents.
Yes.
Now y'all going to be teammates. And they might know you as the Beast. Dad told me this, what they know you out there on defense on the right side.
Yes.
I seen you personally knock a few people on their behinds and keep going.
Yeah.
So how's the Beast going to get along with her teammates that she used to knock down?
Just like I would here for my Trojans, I would knock them down, but I'd help them back up. So I was a captain this year as a senior. So I would always knock them down, pick them up, and be like, you know, I'm just doing it because I'm on your team, right? I'm like, I'm not trying to hurt you on purpose. I was like,
it's part of the game. It's part of it. Well, you point out that you were captain. You shared this day with your co-captain, Chelsea. She's talking about what that leadership role meant to her. What did it mean for you to be captain of this Lady Trojan team?
The term mother hen comes to mind.
Okay.
I just felt like I was a big mom of the group, and that I took responsibilities over these as they were like my kids per se. So I don't know, I feel like I'm leaving my children behind, but I know it's really sad, I might cry, but I'm just happy because I know they're going to be in good place when I leave.
Because Coach Carter came in and took over this program. So you heard from that transition from Coach Davis to Coach Carter, and so you know how to handle change. So how's that going to prepare you as you make this next step to Dyersburg?
Change is always hard. Sometimes it's easier than others, but I know this is going to be hard because I know I'm going into real life, but also playing an extreme sport at the same time.
So the added pressure to the change is this is the first ever team. So y'all are the inaugural team. When y'all take that first team picture, it's a historical beginning. How does that feel? Is that any pressure, or how do you feel about it?
Of course there's pressure there because, I mean, it's the first team in Dyersburg, so I'm very excited and proud to be on this first team, and I know it's gonna not really comprehend, but I know it's gonna affect the way we play and the things we do as a team.
Okay, so this new expectations, new beginning. But on that list, Magan's name is on that list. How does that feel?
I just like mind blown out of the sky. Like I'm so happy that I get to be a part of something here in history, you know. And it's like I'm close to home, so it's like I just feel like I'd be able to walk around and be like, hey, she's on the Dyersburg Soccer team.
Hey, the new logo is rocking, so y'all can score me a sweatshirt, please do. Okay, but first off, congratulations, and we're proud of you heading off to Dyersburg.